Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. If you're new to coding or don't want to install Python on your PC, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you the best Python online editor that works directly in your browser. No setup needed. So, make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you how to save, run, and share your Python code easily. Step 1. Open the website. First, open your browser and go to any Python online editor website. You can search on Google for Python Online Compiler or directly visit programiz.com. Step 2. Write your code. Once the editor loads, you'll see a text area where you can type your Python code. Let's write a simple example. This editor automatically highlights your syntax, so your code looks clean and easy to read. Run the code. Now click the Run or Execute button. In just a second, you'll see the output below. Hello Python. No need to install Python on your computer. It all runs online. If you're using platforms like Replit or Programiz, you can also save your code, download it, or even share the link with friends or teammates. That's super helpful for students and developers working together. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Python online editor software to run and test your code anytime, anywhere. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech and coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.